Ferrari, one of the well engineered cars on this planet, and we got a chance to detail them for 2 days between the rain and between the drives. Let me walk you through and show you how we made sure they look like new all the time. Hello guys, so I'm right now at Adani Experience Center, and there is something great going to happen, and we have got such a good opportunity to work on Ferrari, and I'm just going to show you how we do that today. The only issue today is that it is a bit rainy weather in Ahmedabad, and that's why we have to actually work in rain. But cars, I saw the cars, they're a little dirty right now. So yes, we'll have to do one wipe down, and definitely we cannot do over 100% because it is constantly raining. I will show you. So yeah, here it is, and it's constantly raining. So that's it. Let the cars come. Cars are coming. They are just on the way. It should not take long. And there we go. Finally, the wait was over. First came Ferrari Amalfi, followed by Tes Rosa, and behind was Ferrari 12 cylindry. The excitement was so good that we almost forgot that we have to work in rain. But yeah, looking at the condition of the car, I really thought that we have to be very careful because there was mud stuck on the door panels and on the front areas. So we first the cars were arranged, we did a thorough inspection, and then we slowly started with our job. So first we made sure that we used only 1200 GSM microfiber cloth as they are very soft, a few pumps on the fabric and a few pumps on the door panels in order to make sure that the dirt has completely loosened up and gets off easily, giving a wonderful shine in spite of the rainy weather. And as you can see, the area already looks very glossy and shiny. Working on Amalfi itself took about 30 minutes in the first go because we were being very careful with all these cars, and I didn't want it to take any chance. So I made sure that they were very well handled and every part was done pretty well. No matter how much rain poured, I was very thankful to my staff for showing the dedication. You can also see the bits that are formed on the paint, and that is the magic of our product. It quickly gave a hydrophobic effect. Now it was time for Tes Rosa. What a beautiful car is that! And definitely we had to also give some amazing results because already people started coming in. No more rain could stop anyone from coming closer to these cars and having a look. So between all that, we had to make sure that we did our job perfectly well. Once again, I'm very thankful to my staff Ajay. It was his dedication that in this rainy weather also he was doing a wonderful job and making sure that all three cars were looking like new between drives and between rain. And with that, we come to day 2. Our first task was to work on 849 Tes Rosa. As the interiors required some attention due to previous day's drive, we made sure that first we vacuumed the entire car. Interiors had beautiful Alcantara leather, so we also had to be careful with that. We also made sure to use the very soft brush in order to dust off any dust from the steering and also from the AC vent, followed by any other part of the dashboard area. Once our job was done, the entire interior looked pretty good. Once again, there was no dust anywhere to be seen. A few more touch-ups on the exterior and the car was once again ready for shoots and also for the drives. Today was a wonderful day compared to yesterday because
there was no rain and partly cloudy, which didn't make the weather very hot. But it also meant that the day was very busy compared to previous day, as many drives were booked for the entire day and we had limited gaps in between to make sure that the car was again ready for the next drive. The Amalfi and Cylindri both were done with interiors once again, followed by the exteriors, and as we got the time, we made sure that even the exteriors were getting a decent touch-ups. One has to be very much aware while working on such cars is that you cannot rush, you have to be calm and you have to make sure that each and every panel is considered individually, which one and all would result into a shiny and a glossy car. And we did exactly same, and the result is right in front of you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that you like this video and you would also like the many such videos coming up. Do consider hitting that subscribe button and also giving us a thumbs up.